Good evening, respected sir, and all my dear friends. Have a nice evening to all of you. I am Gungun Singh from Shahjahanpur. I am here to conversation with Pawan about the technology. So, Pawan, how are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am fine too. Let's communicate. Let's communicate about the technology.
Yes. Hello guys, greetings to all of you. I am Pawan. Today we will discuss with Gungun that what is technology. Okay, Gungun, what thinks about technology?
Nowadays in a modern era, as we all know, and the everything is based on the technology from our day to day daily life.
Okay, nice. We know very well this is the era of technology because we are living in a technology era because we are habitual of technology because without technology we can't feel comfortable.
Right.
Because we know very well that we are totally dependent on technology. We want to become smart. Don't want to hard work and we want to become smart. Then what's your opinion about technology?
Technology is a very great, gives us a very great change in our daily life. Everyone is individual person is using the advantage of technology in our daily to daily life. Just like we are using our mobile phones, electricity, fans, etc. These are the given by the technology and the science. Technology is another we can say that the part of the science and by the scientific reasons we got the technology.
Okay, nice.
Thank you.
Because we are living in a technology era. There are many types of technology.
Right.
Technology in our every sector like scientific area, education area, and medical area, industrial area. We know very well with the help of technology, we can get very smart work and. We can save our time with the help of technology. And what is the misuses of technology?
uh, the misuses and the uses are depend on us and on our uses, how that we are using the technology. So in my opinion and my words, that the disadvantages of the technology is we can see that in the later period we are if we want to go in a long way, so we walk by our feet, and this makes us our body healthy and safe. But nowadays, with the help of technology, we are using automobiles for the going, and which makes our body effect and become us lazy for walking.
Okay, nice. We know very well technology provides a number of systems are in electronic area and medical area and education area and it is a very good device for communicate to anyone because technology provides us electronic device and mobiles, earphones and bluetooth because which we can get communicate with anyone.
Yes.
And in scientific area technology gives us like number of atom bombs and cannon, and with the help of technology we reach on the moon and we found water on the moon.
Right.
And with the help of technology we developed in our agriculture. It is the very big example of technology.
Advantage of technology.
Okay,
Right.
what do you think about technology?
Technology is a very good part of our life, as we know that every individual is using the advantage of technology. Later in the later period, the people communication with the writing the letter for to communicate the long distance relatives. But nowadays, with the help of the technology, we got mobile phones which can help us to communicate easily. This is the done by the technology. So Pawan, you can please tell me that what is the negative impact of the technology on our daily life?
Okay, there are many negative ways on our daily life with the help of technology because number of persons are habitual of technology. They are searching new things on technology because they are wasting their time on technology.
Right.
And they find new things but they are wasting their time and they are habitual of technology because number of persons are searching new things on technology and they found their negative and positive things. After that they want to use in their life and it's maybe harmful and use also useful. And there are many misuses of technology like electricity. Technology provides electricity and electricity is also useful and also harmful.
Right.
Because it's with the help of electricity we can take the enjoy of fan and charge it to mobile.
Right.
And a number of things we can use with the help of technology. And if there are many misuses of technology like pollution and the environment. Because number of companies those are working, and the technology provides number of the machines, and which takes some time, and they are making very much pollution.
Right.
What do you think negative things about technology?
There are many negative effect of the technology. Just like we are seeing that the accidents are caused by the technology, and some road accidents are also caused, and burning in the houses, and the children are caused under the technology. So the main negative effect are affecting the environment. Our surroundings are affected by the technology, because just like we are using the vehicles nowadays, because of the technology, the numbers of new vehicles are formed, and which pollute the environment by the unwanted air pollutants, and which harm the environment and the green and our green earth. So these are the negative effects of the technology, and there are many positive effects as well as also which cannot be avoided for the negative effect, but we have to see the both to see the both part of the technology. I would like to say that we have to use the technology in a good way. We have, as we know, the both parts of the technology, negative and the positive ones. So we have to be careful about the use of the technology, and we should be in a limit to use the technology. We didn't have to be totally depend on the technology, because it affects our health and the environment too. So we have to be careful about the use of the technology. So use technology in a good way, and in a very good way.
Okay, technology have a negative base and another positive base. Be used in a limit, because if you are using technology in a limit, then it will be good for you. If you are not using in limit, it may be harmful for you. So we can use technology in a right way, and there are many types of uses and misuse of technology. Okay, that's all.
Thank you for listening us. If you want to learn English like us, just join the Genius Institute in Shahjahanpur. Thank you.